Hey guys, Chris Work here from ProfitDig. Good to see you all. Here's a quick tip for you. Most websites today, or really the majority of websites today, utilize the WordPress platform. Awesome application. It's easy to manage. It's very easy to deploy. However, we've been seeing a lot of this lately. It is extremely important to keep all of the plugins and the WordPress core updated. What happens is there's a lot of moving components behind the scenes there, and as WordPress updates, if a plugin hasn't been updated recently, a lot of times you can run into an incompatibility. It can cause all sorts of pain and suffering for you. It could even bring your website down. So next time you have a few minutes to spare, log into the admin of your website, make sure all of those things are updated, and save yourself a little pain. We'll see you next time. Check us out at ProfitDig.com.